Good morning, children. So, in the previous class, we have completed chapter number 3. So, there you have learned how to plot the points, plus the quadrants, and the ordinate abscissa. All those terms you have learned. Now, all those knowledge you will be using in this chapter number 4, that is linear equations into variables. So, here you are going to learn about how to make the equations, and from the equations how you are going to draw the graphs. So here variables will be two. Commonly we take x and y. So equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is a standard form of linear equations into variables, where a, b, c, so this a, b and c, they are the real numbers. As you know, real numbers are the set of all rational and the irrational numbers. Now here, so this form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So there will be only 0 on the right side. So here the variables are x and y, and this a, b, c, they are the three real numbers. So now this form is called the standard form of the linear equations into variables. Now let us take the first question from the exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation into variables. So you are to form the linear equation into variables. So here the equation will be formed between the cost of a notebook and the cost of a pen. So here let us take the cost of a notebook as say x rupees. So let us begin the solution. So cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So write a linear equation into variables. So the variable is 2. So commonly we will take x and y. Variables are x and y. So now let cost of a notebook. So notebook be say rupees x is twice the cost of a pen. Then let the cost of a pen be rupees y. Now according to the question, you are going to make the equation. So here the cost of a notebook is x rupees. So the cost of a notebook x rupees. So the cost of the notebook is means equals to, cost of the notebook equals to twice the cost of a pen. So the cost of a pen is taken as y rupees. So that will be, so now cost of the notebook is x. That will be twice the cost of a pen. So the pen is y rupees. So making it twice, you will get the cost of a notebook. So you have to form the linear equation into variables. So here x minus twice y. So you bring twice y this side equals to 0. So is a linear equation into variables. So now this is your answer, because they have to write a equation into variables. So the equation is x. So you have brought twice y this side. So x minus twice y equals to 0 is a linear equation into variables. So the variable is x and y. So here the cost of the notebook is taken as x. Cost of the pen is taken as y. So the cost of the notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So now bringing twice y this side. So x minus twice y equals 0 is a linear equation into variables. So this is your first equation. So you have formed the equation. So this is the required equation, x minus twice y equals to 0. Let us take from exercise 4.1, question number 2. Express the given equation. Express the linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and indicate the values of a, b and c. So let me tell you first, writing the equation in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is called the standard form of linear equations into variables, that is x and y. Variables are x and y, and a, b, c, they are the three real numbers. Now you are going to express the given equations in this form, and then you will say the value of a means coefficient of x, b means the coefficient of y, and c is the constant. Let us take number 1. So it is given twice x plus 3y equals to 9.35 bar. So now you are going to write it in the standard form. That means ax plus by plus c equals to 0 form. So now you will bring all the terms to the left side, and the right side you will have 0. So it will be x will be the first x. So it is twice x plus 3y. Bring 9.35 bar to the left side. So it will be minus. There is plus minus. So 35 bar equals to 0. So is in the form of so ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So you have written this given equation in the standard form, that is ax plus by and c equals to 0, and then indicate the values of a, b, c. So therefore a is coefficient of x, that is a. So here the coefficient of x is 2, so a is 2. Coefficient of y is b, so here the coefficient of y is 3, so b is 3. And c is the constant term, so it will be minus 9.35 bar. So here a, b, c. Number 2, x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. In this one, you can take as LCM and then you can write in this way, or else no need to take LCM. You can simply write it as ax, by and then c. C is the constant, minus 10. So let us do it directly. So here x minus, so there is 1 is there, so it will be 1 by 5 and then y. So minus 10 equals to 0, because the coefficient of y is 1, so that will be minus 1 by 5 y minus 10 equals to 0. So is in ax plus by plus c equals to 0 form. So here indicate the values of a, b, c. So here a is what? Coefficient of x. So here x is 1. Coefficient is 1. So it will be 1. b is coefficient of y, minus 1 by 5. And then c is constant, that is minus 10. So let us take number 3. So 4. X equals to 3y. So here you have got the variable x, variable y, where there is no constant. So now x all the terms you take it to the left side. So it will be minus 3y. Then yes, there is no constant. There is the numbers like minus 2, 7, 1 by 5. These are called constant. So as there is no constant, you can take 1 0 equals to 0. So ax, by, this is c. As there is no constant, you will take as 0 equals to 0. So ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So is in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So how much is a? That is the coefficient of x. There is 1. How much is b? Coefficient of y. That is minus 3. And c is the constant term. So the constant is 0. So here a, b, c. So a is 1. B is minus 3 and C is 0. Let us take number 6. 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now, here you see, you are to write in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. You have got the coefficient of x, that is 3x. But there is no y. You are to write the y also. So that is why now by, so as there is no y, you will take 0 into y. So 0 into y. Dot means into. So 0 into y equals to 0. So you will get 0. So now here solution. So now 3x, that means ax. So then comes y. So y, by. So as there is no y, you will write 0 into y. That means 0. Then plus 2, that is the constant. So ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here, what is x? X is 3. B is 0 and c is 2. So here, as there is no y, you will take 0 into y, that means 0. So 3x plus 0 into y plus 2. So this is the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So a is 3, b is 0, c is constant, that is 2. Number 7. So it's y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now again, so this time they have given the variable y with the constant, but they have not given the variable x. So in this case, you will take 0 into x is equal to 0. So here the first will be x, next will be y, the last will be the constant term. So it will be 0 into x, so 0 plus y, so plus y. Then minus 2. So the constant comes in the last. So the constant minus 2 plus 2, they are the constant equals to 0. So here now, therefore here a is what? A is 0. B is coefficient of y is here how much? 1 is there. So B is 1. And C is minus 2. So it is very simple. Let us take the last one of this 8, number 8. So it is given 5 equals to twice x. So as x comes in the first, so you just exchange the signs. So here twice x equals to 5, exchanging the signs. So twice x equals to 5. Now you are going to write in the standard form. So here equals to, so it will be twice, so twice x. So it is ax plus by. There is no y. You will write 0 into y. 0 into y is 0. Then you bring 5 this side. So there is plus, it will be minus, equals to 0. So is in the form of so ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. How much is a? So a is 2. How much is b? B is 0. How much is c? Constant, minus 5. So a is 2, b is 0, c is minus 5. So we have completed 4.1. So these all the sums are very simple. Now we'll be moving on to 4.2. Question number 1. Which of the following option is true? Option is true and why? So they have given some options. That is, they have given 3 choices. Among them, which one is the true one and then why? So now, equation y equals to 3x plus 5 has number 1, they have given unique solution. Number 2, two solutions. Number 3, infinite solutions. And then why? So here options are unique solution. Unique means only one solution, say single solution. So it is one solution. Whenever we speak of solution, that will mean x and y. So now they are telling that which of the following option is true and then why. Equation y equals to 3x plus 5 has, so number 1, unique solution. Number 2, two solutions, or that has got infinite solutions. Now let us just see once. Let us take this equation y equals to 3x plus 5. Now in this one, if you take the value of x, any value, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3, plus 4, minus 4, etc., infinite values. So if you take a value of x as say 0, supposing x equals to 0, then you get, how much is then y? So y equals to, so 3 into x you have taken 0 plus 5. You will get 3 into 0, 0 plus 5. You have got 5. That means 0, 5. Solution means x and y. So 0, 5. Supposing you took x as 1. Supposing x is 1. Y equals to 3 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 5. 3 into 1 3. So it will be 3 is equal to 8. So 3 plus 5, it is 8. Say you took x as minus 1. So the x is how much? Minus 1. Y is, so 3 into, so here x will be minus 1 plus 5. So here x is taken as minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 plus 5. So you got plus into minus, minus. So 3 plus 5, you have got 2. That means like this you will get infinite solutions. So now that means they have asked that this particular equation has got single solution, that is called the unique solution. So you have got, this will be crossed because you have got so many solutions. Still you will get many more. So that is why this will be cancelled. So then this also is cancelled. That means your option is 3, because you take any value of x, you will always get a corresponding value of y. So that is why if you take 1, you have got 8. If you take 0, you will get 5. If you have taken -1, you have got 2. So like this, you take so many values, you will get so many solutions. So that is why it has got infinite solutions. And then why? Because for any value of x, there is always a corresponding value of y. Because for any value of x, any value of x that you take, like 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, -1, all this. So you will get a corresponding value of y. So there is always a corresponding value of y. Corresponding value of y. So you take, say, you have got, say, like x equals to say 5y minus 7. So now suddenly we have asked that how many solutions means it will have. Always a pair of linear equations. It will always have infinite solutions. Why? Because you take the value of y, any value of y, you will always get a corresponding value of x. That is why it has got infinite solutions. So here now you see 1. So 0, 5, 1, 8, -1, 2, like this you will get so many. That is why a pair of linear equations in two variables always has got infinite solutions. Now you take from the same exercise, that is 4.2. Question number 2. Write any 4 solutions. Write any 4 solutions of the following equations. So you are to write any 4 solution. So that means x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y. Like this you will write different types of 4 solutions. Number 1, let us take. So twice x plus y is equal to 7. So twice x plus y equals to 7. So from here, let us find out x or y. Let us find out y. So y equals to 7. You take this 2x that side. So it will be minus 2x. Now, from this, you are going to find out any 4 solution. So, normally a pair of linear equation has got infinite solution, but you will write any 4. So here, let us take the value of x. So say, let us give this as equation number 1. So if, say, x is, say, 0, then from equation number 1 we get, so from this equation you will get, how much is y? Y equals to 7 minus 2 into x you have taken as 0. So 2 into 0. So equals to 7 minus 0. 2 into 0, 0. You will get 7. So you have got the first solution, that is 0, 7, because y is 7, x is 0. Now again you say you have taken x as 1. X is taken as 1. Then again from this equation, so that is 1, equation number 1, you get, so here y equals to 7 minus, so 2 into x is 1. So 2 into 1. So 7 minus 2 into 1. So equals to 7 minus 2. So 2 into 1, 2. You have got 5. That means you have got the second solution, 1, 5. Let us take the third. Say you have taken -1. Supposing then equation number 1 gives. So from this equation, so here y will be 7 minus So 2 into x minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 7. Minus into minus into plus. 2 into 1 it will be 2. So you have got 9. So you have got the third solution, that is minus 1 comma 9. So the last one, because the total is 4. If x, say I have taken 3, supposing, then from equation number 1 you get, so here y equals to 7, so minus 2 into x is 3, so 2 into 3 is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3, it will be 6 is equal to 1. So you have got total 4. You can get infinite solutions, but as they have told you to write any 4, so you have given any 4 solution. So now the answer is required, sorry, any 4 solutions. So any 4 solutions are, so you are going to use this bracket always, solutions. So x is 0, y is 7, so 0 comma 7. Second one, x is 1, y is 5, x is minus 1, y is 9, x is 3, then y is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 solutions. Actually you have got infinite. So as the question they have asked to write any 4, that is why you have taken any value of x. You can take, say, 2, minus 2, 7, minus 7, 8, minus 9, anything you take, you will always get a corresponding value of y. That is why a pair of linear equations into variables always has got infinite solutions. Let us take one example. So I have given one example of the same question. So 12x plus 3y is equal to, say, 6, suppose. So you have to find out any 4 solutions. So let us find out x or y. So this gives twice x equals to 6. So you take 3y that side, there is plus, it will be minus 3y. It will be 3y. Then x. So x equals 6 minus 3y divided by 2. So you take this as equation number 1. Now you take any value of y, you will get a corresponding value of x. So first you will take y, and by doing simplification, you will get that corresponding value of x. So if, say, y is 0, suppose y is 0, then from equation number 1, this one is equation number 1. So it gives, so x equals to, so there is 2, so 6 minus 3 into, so here y is 0, so it will be 0 equals to, so there is 2, so 6 minus 3 into 0, it will be 0, so equals to 6 by 2, so by cancelling you will get 3. So here you have got 3. So here x is 3, y is 0. First solution. Suppose say if y is 1, suppose, then again from this equation 1 you will get, so x equals to, so there is 2. So 6 minus 3 into y is 1. So 1 equals to 6 minus 3 divided by 2. So equals to 3 by 2. Just to keep it this way, because you are not going to draw the graphs, just you are going to find out the solutions. You can keep it this way in the fraction form. Then say if y is, say, minus 1, say, minus 1. You can take 2 also. So then from equation number 1, so from this equation, what you get? So x equals to, so again there is one 2. So 6 minus 3 into y. So y into minus 1 minus 1. So equals to, so 6 minus into minus into plus 3 into 1 3. So you have got 9 by 2. So then one more. Suppose we say y is 2. Y is 2. Then from equation number 1, so you get x equals to, so it will be 6 minus, so 3 into y is 2. So in place of y into, so 6 minus, so 3 into 2. So you will get 6 minus 3 into 2, it will be 6 by 2. You will get 0 by 2, which means 0. So you have got 4 solutions. You can get infinite. So therefore 4 solutions are, so using the first bracket. So first that will be x. So x is 3. So x is 3, y is 0. Second one, x is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. Y is 1. Then here x is 9 by 2. Then y is minus 1. Similarly, the x is 0. Y is 2. So y is 2. So that way you have got 4 solutions. So it is very simple. So the process will be the same. Let us take question number 3. So it is check which of the following are solutions of the equation. So x minus twice y is equal to 4, and so here solution. So let us take number say 1. It is 0, 2. 0, 2. Let us take. So here they have said you are to check it whether the following are the solutions of the equation x minus twice y equals to 4. So they have given this equation. Now you are to verify or to check whether 0, 2 will be the solution of this equation or not. So how we can know it? So you take the left hand side, right hand side. So in place of x, so you put 0 because it is x and y. So in place of x you put 0 and in place of y you put 2. Simplify. If you get left hand side equals to right hand side, then this will be the solution of this equation. Or if it is not equal, that is the left hand side not equal to the means right hand side, in that case 0, 2 will not be the solution of this equation. So now let us see here. So here you take LHS solution. So left hand side, right hand side. So it is x minus twice y. Now, so in place of x you put 0 and in place of y you put 2 because x and y, not yx. So x, y. So x is 0, 2 into y, y is 2. So you will get 0 minus 4, 2 into 2, 4. So you will get minus 4. So the right hand side is 4, but you got the value by putting this x and y. So in this left hand side of the equation, so you have got minus 4. Since the left hand side not equal to the right hand side, therefore this is not the solution of the equation. So therefore LHS not equal to, so since LHS not equal to RHS, because your right hand side is 4, you have got left hand side minus 4. Since this value is not equal to the right hand side, that is why therefore 0 comma 2 is not the solution of the equation. So that means x minus twice y is equal to 4. Let us take number 2. So it is given 2 comma 0, second one. So here, so the same thing, that whether 2 comma 0 is a solution of this equation or not. So by taking the left hand side, so in place of x you put 2 and in place of y you put 0. If you get 4, that means left hand side equals to right hand side, then this will be the solution of this equation. So now left hand side. So you take the left hand side. So here x will be 2. So x will be 2 minus 2 into y is 0. So x is 2, y is 0. So 2 into 0. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So you got the right hand side 4, but you got the value left hand side 2. So since LHS not equal to RHS, so therefore 2 comma 0 is not the solution of the equation. Equation is this. So it is very simple. If that point has to be the solution of that particular equation, then by putting that value of x and y in the left hand side, you should get a value that will be equal to the right hand side. If they are equal, then that will be the solution. Otherwise not. Let us then say number 4. So it is root 2 comma 4 root 2. So 4 root 2. So now here x is root over 2, y is 4 root 2. So you will do it, simplify the left hand side. If the left hand side equals to the right hand side, then this will be the solution. And if they are not equal, then this will be not the solution of this equation. So now LHS. So x minus twice y. So here x is root over 2 minus. So 2 into y is 4 root 2 because x and y. So x is root over 2, y is 4 root 2. So 2 into 4 root 2. So root over 2 minus 8 root 2. 2 into 4, 8 root over 2. Now they are the like sides. They are the same root. So there is 1 is there. So 8 root 2. So there is 1. So 1 root 2. So you will do minus. You will get 7 root 2. So minus 7 root 2. But the right hand side is 4. So they are not equal. So therefore, so since LHS not equals to RHS, therefore root over 2 comma 4 root 2 is not the solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Let us take the last question. Today I will be doing exercise 4.3, just 2 graphs only. 4.3, I will do 2 graphs. Question number 1, draw the graph of the following equations. Of the following equations. Now you will draw the graph of the following equations. So, number 1, it is x plus y equals to 4. It is exercise 4.3. 4.3. Now you see, children, they have given one equation. You have to draw the graph. So the minimum number of points generally is 2, but it will be more convenient if you take minimum 3 points. Generally, you need only 2 points, but here we will take 3 points. So here now, so you find out, say x equals to 4. So you take this y this side minus y. Minus y. Now we will make one table. So here x, there is y. It is x and y, not yx. Now first you will take the value of y, and by doing the calculation you will get x. So that is why first you take y, or else you can take y equals to 4 minus x. In that case you will first take x, and by doing it you will get the corresponding value of y. So now here first is y. Supposing y is 0. If y is 0, then x will be, then x equals to, so 4 minus y is taken as 0. So you will get 4. That means x is 4. So here x is 4. Say you took y as, say, 1. Supposing 1. Then x equals to, so 4 minus y is 1. So equals to, so x will be how much? 3. That means x is 3, y is 1. If say y is, say, 2, or say minus 1, minus 2, so I have taken 2. You can take any integers. So then x equals to, so here x equals to, so 4 minus y is 2. So y will be 2. So you got 2. So the solutions are x is 4, y is 0, x is 3. So here x is 3, and y is 1. Y is 1. X is 2. So x is 2. Y is 2. So y is 2. Now you will draw the graph. So every linear equation is called linear because the power of the variable is all 1. You just see here, it is 1, it is 1. So if the power of the variable in that equation is only 1, that is the degree is 1, then that will be called the linear equation. And linear equation always will produce a straight line. But if the power is, say, like x square and something like this, the degree is 2, you will get a curve. That is the parabolic curve. Now you draw the graph. So here all are positive. So let us just draw the graph, and you will be drawing the graph on the graph paper only, and with pencil. So here x, it is x dash, it is y, y dash. This is the origin. Now the numbers will be taken at equal intervals. Suppose they are all taken at equal intervals. So it is this. Say it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so here also say it is, say, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then minus 4, and then y dash, y dash, y dash. So you will be drawing the graph only on the graph page, but now I have just taken roughly. So all the scales will be taken at equal gaps. All the gapping should be same, both sides. So now here x is 4, y is 0. So this, so there is a coordinate 0, that means this point will lie on the axis. Which axis? X order means y axis. So here x is 4, y is 0. This point will lie on the x axis. So x is 4, y is 0. So here x axis, x is 4. This point is 4 comma 0. So the coordinate is 0, value of x is 4. So this point will lie along the x axis. Then 3 comma 1, x is 3, y is 1. So this is y 1. X is 3, x is 3, y is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 2. So x is 2, say y is 2. Then you join it, you will get a straight line like this. And all these points you will name it 3 comma 1, and it is 2 comma 2, and you will have to mark the arrow. So, but here you have got infinite solution. There are infinite points are there, but to draw the graph, you just need to take only 3 points. So it is 4 comma 0, 3 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and these points, this value of y, you can take any values based on integers. So then you will get the corresponding value of x. Let us take say number 2 of 1, question number 1. So it is x minus y is equal to 2. So you have to draw the graph. So from here, this gives x equals to, so 2 minus y you take to the right side. So minus y you plus 1. Now you take 3 points. So it is x, this is y. So now, first you take the value of y. Any value of y you take, you will get a corresponding value of x. Let us take, say y is 1. Y is 1. Then 2 plus 1, so 3. X will be 3. Y is 1. So y you have taken 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So x will be 3. So you have taken, say y is minus 1. Supposing y is taken minus 1. So x, so 2 plus of y. Y is minus 1. So equals to 2 plus into minus 1. You have got 1. So here x is 1. X is 1. Or say y, you have taken, say 2. Y is 2. Say y is 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. X is 4. So x is 4. Now you will draw the graph. Now, so here this is y, y dash. This is x, x dash. This is the origin. So now, assume that they are taken at equal intervals. Then here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is minus 1, minus 2. And say here 1, 2, 3. So now x is 3, y is 1. So it is plus and plus. So plus and plus. First quadrant. So x is 3, y is 1. X is 3, this is y. So x is 3, y is 1. Say this is the one. Then x is 1. X is 1. Y is minus 1. So x minus 1. Then x is 4. So x is 4, y is 2. So this is 2. So it's 2. Now you will join these points. So if you join these points, you will get a straight line. So this will be 4 comma 2. So then it will be 1 comma minus 1 this point, and this will be so 3 comma 1. So this is the required graph of the equation. Actually there are infinite points, but just you need to draw the graph of this equation. So that is why you have taken only 3 points. So maximum 3 points is needed every day. So 1, 2, 3. So by joining these points, you have got the required graph of this equation. So children, so today we have come to the end of this class. So in the next class again, I will be sending you from the next part. Thank you.